This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
All right, welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So, subscribe today, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been dropped. Now, let me go ahead and get into this. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money podcasting. Okay, so now I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. It's called Anchor.fm. Now, Anchor is a podcast app that you can download to your phone and create your podcast straight from the app. Now let's read a little bit about it right quick. And after I go over just the simple basic things about how this app works, what I'm going to do is log into my account because I have an account with this website or with this app. And I'm going to show you that I'm making money with this app. So I'm going to show you proof and let you know that you can do it also. All right, so it's the easiest way to make a podcast. Everything you need, 100% free. Download it on the Apple Store. So it's not available on Google Play, I don't think. I haven't seen it on there yet. So if you have Apple, you can download it there. Go to the App Store. And it says here, create, distribute, and monetize your podcast right from your phone. So you can record, edit, add clips on any device with tools designed to make the sound great regardless of the skill level. And 100% free hosting and distribution. So no storage limits, no trial periods, no catch, automatically distribute to anywhere people listen. And you can get paid to podcast, get matched with sponsors regardless of your audience size, or collect listener donations. So you got two ways to make money on here. You can collect donations or you can put ads in your podcast and make money. And how you make money is through the CPM, which is cost per thousand. So whatever that ad is, how much they paying, whatever per thousand, that's how much you're going to get. So per thousand listeners or per thousand plays, you're going to get paid that way. Now they have straightforward analytics so they can show you what's going on with your audience, how many listeners you're getting, and how many times people are actually clicking on there to play your podcast. So what I'm going to do now, well, let me go ahead and tell you this. Here's a platform right here. So, when you go on this site, you can just look through this whole website and you can see people. Here are some people that are part of the app. They're pretty popular in the podcast business. All right, so right now I'm going to go ahead and log into my account and show you some proof on far as making money with this app. Okay, I went ahead and logged in. Now, the name of my podcast is Reason to Rant Show. You want to check that out? It's everywhere. It's I forgot to tell you about the distribution part. It's my podcast right now is available Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Slacker, Stitcher, a lot of other podcasts, and a lot of other radio websites. And that's where my show is being distributed on. So you see I have a lot of episodes here. So once you make your podcast and everything, this is going to pop up. It's going to pop up here where your podcast is going to pop up with the name and the episode or whatever name you want to name it. And as you can see, it shows how many plays. That's just a new one I just started. It got 5 plays so far. And as you can scroll down, I have this one right here. Episode 43, I got 2,161 plays, 46 on that one. And if you go down to some older ones, 555. So just that one out that I got 2,000, it just blowed up, and I did a little promotion also. But let's go to this other thing. I'm going to go through this real fast because I don't want to be all day telling you about this one app. So I'm going to zoom through this. So far today, I've made $1.63, and so far all time, I made $199. And mind you, I just started this app this year, and I haven't been on it every day making episodes. Just imagine if I made an episode every day, how much money I'll be making. But so far, I've been making, I say on average, maybe $3 to $5 a day. This is very low, $3 to $5 a day. With my episodes that I have. So I just, market it on Facebook, Instagram, and on some other websites and some other blogs. So I try to get out there. And also it gets promoted here on the app. So this is proof right here. I'm showing you right now. You can make some money with this app. I have made some money. And here's the analytics. So it shows the plays, how many plays I got so far. And you do it through week, through month, every 3 months, and all time. And here it shows the top episodes. Like that episode 43, I made the most out of that so far, as it's being the top. And it also shows the listener location, which is 98% in the United States, and it has France on here, 1%. Everything else 1%, but this is all around the world, so you won't just be in your local country. It can be in other countries. So, and let's go to one other place here. Like I said before, you can get sponsors. Now, right now, my sponsor is Anchor. So what you do is record. They're going to give you a script to record. Just you telling them about you should join Anchor. Anchor is good and whatnot. And then you put that ad in your episode. I'll go ahead and play one right quick for you. I don't know if you guys can hear it.
Hey, if you haven't heard of Anchor, it's the easiest way to make a podcast. Let me explain.
I don't know if you can hear it, but that's
It's
the
free.
ad playing.
There's creation tools that allow you to
Let me go ahead and
record
stop. I
and
think
edit.
it's too low. But that's the ad. I put that at the beginning, so when people listen to that and go through the ad, you earn money. But like I said, this is an ad, but they also email you other sponsors that'll be interested in allowing you to put an ad about their company or business or whatever for you to advertise in your podcast. So I just showed you this app, which is Anchor.fm, that you can start right now. go to Apple Store and you can download the app and get started. Place that ad in there and start making some money. And I just showed you proof that you can make some money from this app. All right, that's all I have for the video today. Please, if you like what I talked about today, just hit the like button. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And please share this on the internet everywhere, because I want to help everybody I can all around the world make money online and become their own boss and become financially free. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, thank you, Grind family. I thank you very much. And like I say, keep dropping those comments down there. I'm gonna send out a shout out, not this video, but next video, I'm gonna shout out your name when you drop a comment, and I will definitely shout out your name and give you some exposure. And and just say thank you for watching my videos and thank you for supporting me. All right, that's all I have for this video. Thanks again. And before I leave, all I got to say is get your grind on, because the grind is real. Until the next video, peace.
This is Grind TV.